Let's learn how to add a Discord link to your TikTok bio. It's very simple, and we'll do it in just a few steps. If you want to follow all the steps, stay until the end of the video. The first thing you need to do is open the Discord app. Once Discord opens, click on your profile in the bottom right corner. When your profile page opens, there will be a settings option in the top right corner. Click on that option, and a page with many options will open. You need to scroll down on that page. When you scroll down, you will see an option called Advanced. Click on that option, and a page with several options will open. You need to turn on the option at the top, which is the Developer Mode option. After you turn that on, go to any chat and write a message. When you do that, click on your profile in that message. A menu with several options will open, and you need to click on the 3 dots in the top right corner of that menu. When you click on that, you will have 2 options. You need to click on Copy User ID. After you do that, go to Notes and write down what you see here, then paste the user ID you copied. Then copy that entire link. Once you have copied it, go to TikTok, and when TikTok opens, go to the option in the bottom right corner. That is the Profile option. When your profile opens, you need to click on Edit Profile. Then you need to click on Bio, and paste the link you copied in Notes there. When you do that, you have successfully added the Discord link in your bio. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.